Nathan Adler here with the Fast Lane Car, and I've got something really special for you. We found the Dodge Challenger with the new Hellcat engine, we believe, under the hood, testing at high altitude. We didn't just find one, we found many. Check it out next. Did you catch that sound? Did you catch that burble? It's awesome. I know it's not the best sound quality, but trust me on this, it sounds very different than the current Challenger. For the Fast Lane Car, this is Nathan Adler. I will see you next time.